What's up, people? It's your boy Jerry Price, and I'm here with a 2-minute Tuesday to show you guys how I go about editing my photos and color grading them. So, guys, check this out. Alright, so hopefully we can get this done in 2 minutes. So this is one of the pictures I took from a shoot with my friend Ashley last week. If you guys haven't checked out that video, go check it out. It's on the YouTube channel right now. But for the most part, I like this. One thing I don't like is the way the water is coming from, but forget all that. We got 2 minutes on the clock, and here we go. All right, so the first thing I do is increase the contrast. I don't know, I like high contrast photos unless it's like really underexposed, but increase the contrast to just about 40. That's usually my range. And then I'm going to decrease to about 36. Usually I just put the sliders back and forth until I find a good medium to where I kind of like my photos. But for the most part, I think I got you an idea of how I like it. Yeah, I like that. And then this one, I'm going to decrease the black a little bit. That way it gets our hands more lit and the background kind of more just like darker. It's like kind of look I was trying to go for. As far as this, the texture on this, I kind of want this high. And then the clarity, just a little bit high, not too unrealistic. Then obviously put a dehaze to get that color in there. Not too high, but just a little bit. As far as the color temperature go and the tint, yeah, we're just gonna keep that one the same for this one. Vibrance on this one, I'm gonna pass on that, but I'm gonna come back to it later. The curve on this one, now, usually I don't have to mess with the curve that much. Yeah, see, messing with the curve of this one, you're kind of just adding more problems, but for the most part I'm just gonna pass on that like I always do. Sharpening on this one just a little bit more so you can see more detail in the water stream. Then you're gonna go down to the color grading curve is what I call it, but for the most part color sliders. For this one, for the orange, we're gonna keep it relatively the same, probably gonna lower it a little bit down the luminance. The yellows, there's not really any yellows in this photo, so you're not gonna really see that much. The greens, I'm gonna keep it where it's at. It's mainly just the blues in this photo, which is really just her shirt. It's a little bit too dark. Go over to the hue tab. I'm going to make this slightly more blue than the aquas, increasingly more blue. The purples, more blue. Hop back over to the saturation tab. Increase that. There we go. That's the color I'm looking for. There we go. There we go. Sideways, can just, there we go. Limit. I like where it's at. Slide over to the split toning tab. All right, guys, so my camera just cut off, but we're gonna keep this going. Anyway, yeah, so for the most part, split toning tab, we're gonna bring the highlights to blue, and then we're going to bring over the shadows. There we go, there we go. And I think we almost have our photo. Yep, there we go. Gradient, right about this side. I like to bring that down just a bit, grading it right about this side, bring that down, and then, ooh, too dark. Bring it down, I got the eraser, there we go, and bam. We have our photo. Hopefully I got the 2-minute time limit on. I know my camera died, but for the most part, this is a picture I am kind of happy with. I'm probably gonna go through, light up the water stream a little bit more blue, and then on top of that, blur her face out just a little bit more. But for the most part, I like what I got. So it's 2-minute Tuesday, guys. If you haven't already, go ahead, subscribe, like, leave a comment about what you guys think about these photos and the other photos on my Instagram. Go ahead and comment on those and tell me what you guys think if you guys want to see different photos. But until then, it's your boy Jerry Price. Like, subscribe, comment, do all the things that help out the algorithm to help out this channel. But until then, it's your boy Jerry Price, and I'll see you guys later.